welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I am a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. Today I want to talk about skincare and some of the things that you can start doing today to improve the health of your skin. As you saw on my previous video about makeup trends for the 2021, the dewy skin is one of the most popular ones this 2021. And in order to rock that look, it's very important that you take care of your skin. First of all, it's very important that you take close attention to your nutrition. We have to start from the inside. We have to make sure that we have a balanced diet and that we eat plenty of vegetables and fruits. The second important step that you can start incorporating into your skincare routine is taking vitamins. For example, I have this one here this is from Nature's Bounty. It is great to keeping our hair, skin, and nails healthy. It's full of antioxidants, which we know that this is important to help our skin stay young. The third thing that you can start incorporating into your skincare routine is drinking water. For this 2021, my resolution is to drink more water. I bought this big bottle from Amazon. This is a 64 ounces bottle, and the cool thing about it is that it has the timing, so you can keep track of how many times a day you need to drink water. Also, it has some motivation words for you. Especially for me, I find that this is kind of cool to have something that you can see the progress, see how much water have you drink. This is something cool that I started to incorporate just to help me keep healthy and drink enough water. Okay, so now let's go into details about how you should take care of your skin. What should be your daily routine skincare and what should be your nighttime skincare routine. Following these routines will help your skin to look beautiful from the outside, okay? And the other three topics that I talk about, which is nutrition, vitamins, and water, will help your skin look beautiful from the inside out. So these two things are important. For the morning routine, it's very important to wash your face every morning. This will wake up your skin and also remove any excess oils and dirt that you may had from the night before. Personally, I prefer just washing my face with plain water. I don't like to cleanse with a soap because my skin tends to get very sensitive and is very dry, so I rather just use water. But if you are somebody that has very oily skin, acne prone skin, I would recommend using a cleanser, a gentle cleanser, just to make sure that all your skin is very clean. And usually people that have oily or some sort of problem in their skin like acne, they use treatments at night, so you want to make sure to remove those treatments. Usually those treatments tend to be applied at night because they're very strong and they may damage your skin when exposed to the sun. So make sure that if you use any like chemical treatments or any treatment on your skin at night, make sure you wash it off in the morning, so if you go outside you don't get sunburn or damage further your skin. The second step is using a toner. The one that I've been using is the one from Tonos Cosmetics. This is a refreshing and tonic lotion for all skin types. This one has some alcohol on it, so if you have sensitive skin, you may not like the alcohol on it. But for most of the skin, it's very appropriate since this is a vegan product. This product has mint extract that stimulates and tones and helps the skin to be more firm. The third step of your daytime routine is using a serum, or in this case, a skin booster. They are very similar. Serums and skin booster are a very concentrated product that helps give usually hydration to the skin, but they are different serums according to your skin type and also according of your skin need. You have different types, but my all-time favorite is the Vichy Mineral 89. This product is suitable for all skin types, and always you use your serums or skin booster right after you tone your skin. Okay, so this is highly recommended. And lastly, you need to use your moisturizer. So the one that I've been using is from Tonos Cosmetics, the Hydrating Day Cream. This one has SPF, so it will protect you from the sun exposure. During the day, I like to use a day cream that already has the SPF, since that will save me an extra step. But if you don't have a sunscreen, a day cream with sunscreen, you use your sunscreen after your moisturizer. So remember, cleansing, toning, serums or skin boosters, moisturizer, and lastly, your sunscreen. Even in the winter time, you need to use a sunscreen to protect your skin. Sunscreen will slow down aging. So if you want to look younger, you need to use SPF. You need to use sun protection. So this is one option that already have it on it, or you can add it after your moisturizer. Now for the nighttime routine, some of the steps are similar, but you have a little bit more on the nighttime because you want to make sure that you give extra love at night, so your skin will have the time overnight to absorb all the good nutrients. The first step, as you may know, is to remove your makeup. At night, you always need to remove your makeup first. This step is very, very important. If you want to have a healthy skin, removing your makeup is something that you must do every night. No matter how tired you are, no matter, how long and hard was your day, you need to remove your makeup. That's a must, okay? So if you are somebody that goes to bed with makeup, please stop doing that this 2021. This is the year that you have to start changing that. To remove your makeup, Tonos Cosmetics has a line of makeup removers. They have this cleansing cream, and this makeup remover will hydrate your skin while it removes the makeup, and it's designed for all skin types. So every time you use it, you will feel that your skin will be moisture. And this formula is enriched with aloe vera and cucumber, eliminates makeup residues and fatty deposits that clog the pores. It contains soothing, astringent, and refreshing properties. So this is very good. Also is paraben free, sulfate free, and is vegan. This product, you use it with a wet cotton pad to remove the makeup, but it doesn't work well if you have waterproof makeup. So for some, if you use waterproof makeup, they have this makeup remover is designed to remove your eye makeup and lip makeup. So what I usually do is I use this product for my eyes, my lips, and then I use this one to remove the makeup of my face. For this, if you want to try this product, make sure that you grab a little bit, because since it's a dual formulation, it has oil on it, so sometimes it may come inside your eye, so make sure you just grab a little bit and it will do the job. This product has some ingredients that will also moisturize your eye area and has also skincare benefits for you. So you are removing makeup, but you're also adding skincare to your skin as well. And I wanted to show you something that I got. I ordered this washable makeup remover cleansing sponges because I go through cotton pads like there's no tomorrow. I use them like all the time, and I just wanted to be a little bit more eco-friendly, and also it will save you money too. And this product, I found it on Amazon. It comes with a little pouch so you can save them, and it comes with this hairband so you can, you know, clean your face without getting your hair into your face. So this is a little package. I will put a link down below so you can, if you're interested, you can get one for yourself. So once your skin is makeup free, now it's time to cleanse your skin, because believe it or not, after using a makeup remover, you will still have some makeup left over. The third step that is very important to incorporate into your nighttime routine is exfoliation. You always exfoliate your skin after it's fully clean. The fourth step is using a hydrating mask or any other mask that a facial mask that will give your skin an extra hydration or extra nutrition. Masks are also highly recommended to use once or twice a week, depending on your skin needs. For example, for me, I love using hydrating masks. If you have acne skin, you may want to use a purifying mask, or if you have wrinkles, you may want to use a anti-wrinkle face mask. Or if you have, let's say, under eye circles, you may want to use a mask. So masks are that extra step that will ensure that your skin needs that hydration it needs and an extra benefit that it needs. The fifth step is using a toner. So once your skin has already absorbed that mask, and after using the exfoliator, using a toner is very, very important. So this is the same that I show you on my daytime routine. This toner, it will help remove any excess product left on your skin from either your face mask or your exfoliator, and it will also balance the pH of your skin. This is important, so when you put your moisturizer and hydrating creams, your skin will absorb it easily. The sixth step is using a night cream. The difference between a day cream and a night cream is that day creams usually they focus on hydration, and most of them or some of them has sun protection. On the other hand, the night creams, they are richer and heavier, and it will give you more moisture than a regular hydrating cream. And these night creams, they usually have more skincare benefit. Good for anti-aging, anti-wrinkles. Some of those night creams help with some skin concerns like acne or any discoloration. So they are like a richer cream that is good to do it at night. And lastly, using a face oil. A face oil will seal in the moisture and lock it in, so during the night you don't lose that moisture and hydration that you already put on your skin. For the past 2 months, I've been using this face oil, and this one is a very rich oil that gives intense hydration and has antioxidants and fatty acids. This is a Canadian company. very good quality product, and the name is Ceramize. Cruelty free and made in Canada. So if you want to try something local, make sure to give this brand a try. This is the last step that will ensure that everything that you did on your skin, all the preparation, all the moisture that you put on, it will stay in your skin. This is like a barrier to protect your skin and give that even more hydration, especially during the winter time. This product is excellent, but as a regular uh, skincare routine, I highly recommend it. So here you have all the important steps that you need to do in order to have a beautiful and healthy skin this 2021. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learn new tips and tricks so you can rock the beautiful natural skin. If you want to learn how I created this dewy makeup look, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can get notified next week when I post this step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at makeupbydesign.ca and see you next week. Bye.